Hello, Michael Happy here, ready to present you how to remove a link from a metal strap. And I'm talking about it for this one in particular, the Gavox Squadron, which is provided with a metal strap of high quality, and the pin in there are to be removed with a specific way. But let's start speaking about the different type of metal straps. So here are three different examples of metal strap, and I think this is the majority of 99% of the type of strap you would find on the market. Okay, so let's start with this one. This one is the folded pin, and you can remove it by looking at the arrow here. You just push with a tool like this, which has a pin which is smaller than the hole here, and you press in here as strong as you can, and here it is. You can remove it. You do this for another one and you remove the size. I won't do it now because this is not the purpose for this one. And put it back in the same way. Be careful, this is a folded metal pin, and there's a head and a tail. You always need to enter the pin the same way you removed it. Okay, let's put it back in and apply pressure. And there it is. Okay, this is the first way. This is one of the most common way of removing a pin and of type of pin. This is the Casio. Casio has its own different way for these kind of metal band, a strap. You use the same kind of tool, you slide it inside here, and you twist until you have this part, which is the pin for this band, and your piece is separated. Just easy to remove a link. You won't do it here now, but I wanted to show it to you. How to put it back? Apply pressure, put your nail, and there it is. Okay? Easy. You just need something like this. Everybody has that in its toolbox. Okay? Now, the Gavox strap. You have in PVD or in stainless steel. I'll do the example with this one, but it would apply to this one. I won't take it one out of this one. It's the one I'm using now. So let's show on one spare strap I had here. Okay, now what tool will you use? This one? Yes, you can, but you won't be strong enough to remove it. And you have also arrow direction. So you do see these arrow. You can try to push them out, but it's gonna be very difficult. Okay, so this is where tools are needed. You can go to your local watch shop, or you can purchase these kind of things. This is a plastic support that has different holes to allow you to remove these kind of pins within band. Okay, I prefer using this one. Why? Because I can squeeze easily to the strength I need, whereas here this one is wider, this one is a little bit even wider, this is narrow. So usually you place it, no, it doesn't fit, you turn around, does it fit this place? Yes, slightly, but okay, you can purchase something like that. I will use this one, and I will use the arrow side to remove. Bear in mind that there's a hole in all of these tools, and the hole will let the pin go down. Okay, there. I will use a pin remover. I have this one, which is very strong. I could use this one, but hammering it, I may break this part. So I don't want this. Here I have my tools. the pin remover tool, and I have a hammer. Okay, I have a strong or soft, hard or soft head. I use a hard one. Now my pin is removed here, and I will show you what's inside. So you have the pin, you have a tube. Okay, this is very typical for this type of strap, very strong, sturdy, resist a long strength or force, and this is why I use it for the Gavox squadron. This tube allows this pin to go inside. This tube is retracted on the middle and this pin as well. So both of them fit perfectly in the middle. So how will I extend it? I take another piece here, slide it in. Don't forget to put the tube inside. There it is. I put back the pin the other way of the arrows and place it on my neat little tool. Now I use my hammer, the hard head at the beginning. Then when I'm almost at the end, I use the softer one so I don't harm the strap, the band. Now just a small push to bring this pin in the middle of the tube at the right place. I will proceed to the same thing again by using a tube, a pin. Don't forget there's a little tube in there or you might lose it and it's difficult to find it back. Okay? I put my piece here. I use reverse as the arrow. Has no much point with this pin, but I will still do it because it has arrows. Now it's fastened and soft side at the end with a slight touch to bring in the middle. That's it. This is done. I show you now the 3 different kinds of strap. You have the full strong pin, which needs this kind of tool, a pin remover, a hammer, and a place where you can place your strap and have the pin removed. Or this, or this. The folded pin, which is the majority in case of watch band, and you need to move it out and enter the same way you removed it. And this Casio type of strap. Okay? Thank you very much for watching and enjoy my video. Bye bye.